In today's video I'm going to show you how to make individual 3-layer spiced carrot cake with mascarpone frosting. We're going to begin this recipe by peeling and removing the ends of 280 grams of carrot, and then we're going to grate them on the large side of a box grater. Next, take 150 grams of dried fruit of your choice. I've got a mixture of raisins and dried cranberries here, and then just run your knife through them to break them up and make them a little bit smaller. And then do the same again with 80 grams of walnuts. Next, place 180 grams of light brown sugar into the bowl of a stand mixer, along with 3 whole eggs. And then using the whisk attachment, we're going to whisk them until they are light and fluffy. You can use a hand mixer to do this. Now add in the grated carrot and mix that through using a beater attachment. Next, we need to add the dry ingredients into the carrot, sugar and egg mixture. So that is 190 grams of self-raising flour, 40 grams of ground almonds, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it again until the ingredients are fully incorporated and you've got a lovely cake batter. Then add in the chopped dried fruit, keeping a little bit back for decoration at the end, and doing exactly the same with the walnuts. Fold them through the batter until they are mixed through. Now line a baking sheet with parchment paper and then spread out the cake batter until it fills the full sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius fan for 30 minutes or until a skewer or knife comes out clean. Remove from the oven and place onto a cooling rack to cool. For the mascarpone frosting, simply place 110 grams of icing sugar into the bowl of a stand mixer and add in 500 grams of mascarpone cheese and 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. Using the whisk attachment again, beat the mixture until it just holds its shape. It'll only take 2 to 3 minutes to get to this stage. Place the frosting into a piping bag and into the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next, using a cookie cutter, cut out discs of the carrot cake. If you want to reduce the wastage and maybe get a few more out of it, you can cut it into squares, but I like the look of them when they're round. With the leftover cake bits, I just bag them up and I place them into the freezer because they're great to mix through ice cream or use them for other desserts if you fancy. To assemble the cakes, take 3 discs and then pipe onto each one the mascarpone frosting. Do this however you feel comfortable, and if you're not comfortable piping, you can just spoon it on or spread it out with a palette knife. It's entirely up to you, but I'm using a piping bag and I'm just doing nice little dots all the way around until I fill the surface area of each disc. And then we're just going to stack them on top of each other and then sprinkle them with a little bit of the chopped dried fruit, and then I like to grate over a little bit of walnut using a microplane. You can of course just add over chopped walnuts, but I think it looks really nice when it's grated. These individual carrot cakes are perfect to serve with an afternoon tea or just bring out when your friends and family come for a visit. I hope you enjoy making them, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.